Hello and welcome to issue 68 of Build Your Own 3D Printer, 3D Create and Print. Let's have a look at what we've got this week. We've got the usual web access code 933596, 3D print in the developing countries, practical, vertical, affordable and also empowering. The 3D has much more to offer the developing world. Thinking Big, Italian company what aims to supply the means of building a low-cost housing to communities in developing countries. 3D printers that use local source materials, namely mud, above. This new printer, Big Delta, left to extrude shown top. Stands 12 meters high. 3D printing technology is helping to save lives and bringing hope. Getting to grips with modifiers. This is a tutorial. Modelling for modifiers. Making a bracelet. This is what we need. Got the calibration tool there, we will need later on. Showing us how to fix it. This is the design files, cow face doorstop, game figures, glass stand for your glasses. Prone to misplaced specs, this funky glasses stand will ensure that your eyes are always in an obvious place. Mont Blanc, the latest in an occasional series of landscape reliefs, is the highest mountain in the Alps. And next we've got the print head cooling fan. So all we do is get the print head block and we get the nut and we screw this onto it. About 5mm. Then we get the 4 grub screws. These tiny little scrub screws here. Very fiddly. Okay, let me just show you something quick. Last week we built this bit. Now you notice on here there's that little bit sticking out and those 2 holes there. And I've noticed that we've got this bit sticking out here and that bit there sticks out. Now watch. We've got them 2 goes in there. So you've got them 2 holes there, just them 2 holes there. And that fixes in there like that. And all it needs is 2 screws to go in there to fix it on better. I think that's in a few weeks time or something. So what we've got to do now is to screw, make sure this is the right way up. Yeah, that way. So that's basically screws in there. Out that, but then all I do next is tighten that up, and then that's it really. That's it for this week. Nice, quick and easy, but basically that's all I've got to do this week. So I put the 4 grub screws in, fitted that bit to there, dropped that little nut, and next week we've got to do the print head cooling fan. I'm not quite sure where all this is going to fit because all this has been covered up now, so maybe there's never going to be another little motherboard somewhere, but anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.